Alright guys, I'm running this for Zach. He's got to pick one. We're in a live 404. We are live 404. 404. Grab the list. 10 spots. And we are going to drop it into random. 10 entries. Josh on the bottom, John on top. Alright, we roll 2 dice, 5 or higher. And we have a 7. That's good. Going 7 times. Here we go. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times. Dice shows a 7. Next click. Top spot wins. Good luck. And 7. Congrats to John Teglia. Spot number 1. You are the winner. Get in touch with Zach and pick out your bobblehead. We are done. 405. Go back. Type done. We are done. 4:05 p.m. 4:05 p.m. Verification. Timestamp.